The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Remove the screw on the side of the glove box. Remove the 7 screws securing the top of the glove box assembly using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws in the corners of the glove box assembly. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Install your new AQ1091C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Secure the clip by threading the base and then reinstalling the screw. Close the glove box.